Hi traders, how you doing? You joined me today on a lovely sunny day, so I thought I'd come outside the studio and take a little break and get ready for an afternoon of trading. The stock market is ready. Are you? That's the question of this video. Over the last few months, 7 weeks in a row now, we've seen the markets drop and drop and drop and drop. A lot of people have left the market, and now some people are feeling it's time to get back in. Statistics will prove, in history has always proved this, that most people make money from trading and investing by being a long-term investor, not actually getting in and out of the market, but staying the course, staying long-term. Most people over time will actually make more money by just staying in the market as opposed to getting in and out of trading. Now, I know that's difficult because if you haven't got much money to put into the market, how do you grow your portfolio? Well, you can't just sit around and wait for 20 years. You want to exit and enter the market, make profits on the way, so that way you can actually make some money and build up your portfolio. But it's always difficult to time the market. Now, the last 7 weeks, we have seen that the markets are down and down and down. We're talking about inflation, we're talking about the war, we're talking about consumer spending. There are so many issues right now. And I feel that now is the time to be in the market. I don't know if we've hit the bottom, but the signs are there that we are near the bottom. Now, you might be thinking, I want to wait for the bottom to come. But if you wait for the bottom to come, by the time we as retail investors know it's come, it's already too late. The market has already started to go up. You saw what happened yesterday when my fear of being in the market, I decided to sell my S&P 500, which I said I'd never do, and I got back in within minutes. And look what happened today. It's going up and up. Now, that doesn't mean to say it's all done and dusted and there's no more downside. I'm sure there will be. But overall, on average, if you leave your money in good quality stocks, the long term, you're going to be up. Now, if you've just tuned in to my show, we're live here every day on the opening and closing bell. Normally, I'm in my studio, but I just stepped outside because it's a beautiful sunny day, just to take 5 minutes to get ready for the afternoon show. The thing is, though, on Monday, we won't be here because it's Memorial Day. If we can hold up today, at the moment, my portfolio is up sort of 4 or 5%, something like that. It's pretty good. If we can hold up, because what normally happens is a Thursday, Friday, we start selling out. Always on a Friday, we sell out because people don't want to leave their money in the market over the weekend. Now, I never exit the market. I'm always in. My money never leaves the market. I'm a long-term investor, even though I do day trade. If we hold where we are right now, 4 or 5% up, and people didn't exit the market, and they're thinking, okay, you know, money's going to be in the market now Saturday, Sunday, and of course on Monday we're not trading until Tuesday, I would say that gives a good positive sign that perhaps the markets are recovering and we've now reached or getting close to a bottom. We are definitely in a bear market right now. There's no question about that now. A bear market is when you've been in negative territory for so many weeks. Well, we're well and truly in a bear market. No one could say we're in a bull market anymore. We're in a bear market, but at some point, things have to turn up. You can be bullish, like I'm always bullish. I'm always optimistic of the stocks I've bought in. I believe I bought great companies, and I'm holding my positions right now, and I'm adding to it. So as I can, I bring more money in. But of course, you know, the story is if you wait a month, 2 months, the prices aren't going to be where they are today, and you're going to be paying more for them. That's always the case. But you have to earn the money first to be able to put it in, right? But anyway, I feel quite confident now that the markets are starting to turn up and then we are approaching a bottom. Maybe we're not all the way there, but we're getting close. And I'm sure we're going to look back in 6 months from now and think these stocks are really, really cheap and I wish we'd got in. So does it really matter that we pay $1 more for a share that might drop a bit more, a few more cents, but in 6 months it's up $5 a share or whatever, as an example? I feel it's the right time to be in. So I'm fully in now. I'm fully invested. I've cleared my margin though, and in hindsight, the last week was right thing to do by clearing my margin. Now we know where we are today after a week of gains, I would have actually benefited by remaining in margin, but my stress levels would have been off the charts, and you saw how it was affecting my show. So I'm actually glad that I'm out of margin, even though I'm missing out some of those profits. My profits would have been double today because I doubled up with my margin, but I'm out of margin right now and I feel good about that. So there we go. That's my position. This is what happens when you go outside. You get a fly in your face. But anyway, wherever you are around the world today, I want to thank everyone for your support to my channel, and also to commemorate Memorial Day on Monday, I've just sent you a link. It's on the community membership or the community tab on the channel. If you remember, you would have had it emailed to you. If not, go and look on the membership tab, the community tab, sorry, and there is a link there to my memorial concert on my music channel. So go and check that out. And on that, I sing, of course, the national anthem of the USA, Amazing Grace, Morning Has Broken, and some respectful songs. So go and check out my memorial concert. It's online now, available, and it'll be there all the way through until Memorial Day on Monday as well. So there we go. I'm back on live in the studio very soon for the closing bell. And if the markets hold up today, I'm pretty excited that we could be on for a good week next week, of course, on Tuesday. All right, that's it from me. It's been an absolute pleasure talking to you this way. I can't actually see your comments. Next time I do this, I think I'll have my iPad down the front and perhaps I can see some comments. I don't know if anybody's there with me at all, and I'm just looking into my phone right now. But anyway, I'll see you back in a short while for the closing bell. Take care of yourselves and each other.